Good day, children. How are you today? I hope you're all doing good. So for today's lesson, we are going to study about verb. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define and identify action words, understand the use of verb, and construct simple sentences using verb. But in order for us to be able to understand what verb is, you have to understand what a noun is. Remember, what is a noun? Nouns are names of person, places, and things. Person like driver, place like store, and things like cell phone. Now, what is a verb? Verb tells what a nouns do, or in short, verbs are action words. Let's try to look at the example. What does the drivers do? Driver drives. How about the store? What does the store do? The store sells. How about the cell phone? Cell phone calls. We use cell phone if we want to call someone. Drives, sells, and calls are what we call verb or action words. This tells what the nouns do. Let's try to have another example. Elsa sings on stage. Sings is the action word in the sentence. Another example, the girl is walking in the street. The word walking is the verb in the sentence or the action word. Now it's your turn to try this. Bean's family buys food in the grocery store. Where do you think is the verb or the action word in the sentence? Okay, we have the word buys. How about this one? Anna and her friends watch movie at home. Where do you think is the action word in the sentence? So we have the word watch. Watch is an action word or verb in the sentence. Now let's try this another example. Children play in the beach. Where do you think is the verb in the sentence? Okay, we have the word play. How about this one? Alan jumps over the stone. Where do you think is the verb in the sentence? We have the word jumps. Jumps is the verb in the sentence. Now let's try this activity. Read the sentences below and encircle the nouns and underline the verbs. You only have 2 minutes to answer each sentence. Time's up! Let's check your answers. Let's try to have another activity. Complete the sentences using the verbs from above. Now let's check your answers. Complete the sentences using the verbs from above. 1. I eat mango every day. 2. Let's find an ice cream store. 3. We stood still for our picture. 4. Tim writes letters to his friend. 5. We walked to the playground after school. Today we learn that verb tells what a noun do or verb means action word. And because of that, you did a good job. Now for your assignment, think of an action word that you do every day and use this to form at least 3 sentences. Write it on your notebook. Again, thank you.